Hey there, Jackie B from Math Hot by Jackie B, and this is a video preview of my Algebra 1 first weeks of school back to school escape room. So what this is, it's meant for incoming Algebra 1 students, and it reviews in a really fun way those 8th grade algebra topics that they need for your class but probably have forgotten. So they come to a scenario that explains it's the first day of school, they walk into their algebra class, it's empty, they've got to search the classroom for clues and solve every one they get to. So that's what they do. They just click on objects, and each clue is going to review some 8th grade algebra functional skills. So something they need from 8th grade for your class. They're not going to be geometry or probability problems. So here, clue 11, they'll write down clue 11, they'll solve this two-step equation, and then they'll hit return to classroom. They also do not need a piece of paper. I've included a digital tracking sheet for them to track their answers digitally. You just type right into there, and then you can assign it and they can submit it through Google Classroom. Makes it super easy. So like I said, they keep searching the classroom, looking for clues. Remember properties of exponents. You know they don't remember that, so they need to remember that. This is a really fun way for them to review everything they should remember and they need for your class. Now, there are 5 decoys, so not everything is helpful. Occasionally, they'll come to a decoy. It'll just say, nope, no clue here. It's just meant to simulate a real escape room where not every door you open is actually very helpful. When you have all 18 clues, or when they have all 18 clues solved and written down, they're going to click on the keypad. That is going to be the lock. They need to put their name there, have them put their first and last name so that it's easier to sort later. And then they're going to enter all of their answers into the lock. If they come to the lock and they're not ready, they could hit return to classroom. What's going to happen? They're going to get a congratulations message. They can go ahead and submit this. You can have them take a screenshot of this as proof that they did the assignment. You can have them turn in the digital clue tracking sheet. But when they submit this, they'll get a confirmation. You can then request access to the lock. There's a link in your teacher guide, and you can see all of their responses. But if they've come to that page, then they indeed have answered all the questions correctly. It's the only way to come to that page. So this is it. You want to be the fun teacher. You want them to review first weeks of school. You hit them with this escape room. They're going to review what they need, and they're going to be loving your class. Thanks for watching. Check out my store, Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hop by Jackie B.